Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to change screen recorder sound in Note 14 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down in last. And here you can see the option additional settings. Now click on additional settings. In additional settings, you can see the option screen recorder. Now click on screen recorder and then you can see the option sound source, and here you can change your screen recorder sound. Then simply click on it and here you can set it to mute, mic and system sounds. So this is the way to change screen recorder sound in Note 14 Pro. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.